Yeah, I'd say that's a good amount of snow. Welcome to East Canyon State Park. It's a little windy, a little gloomy, but might walk around, go try some fishing. I have a little over an hour and 20 minutes until the sun sets. So we're gonna go down, see if we can catch a fish or two. We'll see. Got my rod, got some night crawlers. Oh, that I just dropped. Fishing bag. Let's go. Check these things out. So East Canyon has 4 different yurts that you can rent. I think it's 130 on the weekdays and 150 a night on the weekends. One of Holland and mine's life goals is actually to get some land and build a yurt. So comment down below if you want to see us do a video coming up and staying in one of these. They are dog friendly too, which is cool, so we can bring the pups. And they rent them out year round, so maybe when it's chock full of snow up here, we'll have to come up, do a video in them. Lots of deer tracks. Oh, what a good bridge. Worm on there. Well, hopefully the audio's all right. I didn't expect it to be this windy up here. It's pretty though. Now, place your bets on whether or not I catch a fish. I'm feeling like no, but pretty much every time I fish, I feel like that. Half the time I end up catching stuff, so fingers crossed. Well, it's been about an hour and I'm freezing cold. No bites, no nothing. And I head back up to the trailer. It almost feels like it might snow tonight, even though it's not very cold. I don't have service, but I did bring the Starlink, so I'll get that set up on top of the trailer and then we can check. Here's the dish. Starlink Mini is so small. They don't sell it with this, but I bought it on Amazon. It's a little 12-volt cigarette lighter thing. The trailer actually has one of those. Right now there's a little voltage meter in there. Run my cable up here, put the Starlink on the roof. Got the Starlink up and running. Didn't take me nearly as long as the last couple of times. Say hello to Holland.
Yay! Hello.
I think it's about time we get some dinner cooked up. On the menu tonight is breakfast burritos. Yet again, I know. I love them. They're so good. I don't have to justify it. This is my YouTube channel. Just start making dinner. Oh, that smells so good. I was looking around. It got really calm, surprisingly nice out. So I looked at the weather. We got winter weather advisory, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. We have a small chance for snow. Should only get down to 31 tonight, so I think I'll be fine. Will be kind of cool though if we got some snow.
my survival hammock with me.
Ta-da! Man, I really dropped the ball with the tortillas. Cheers! Excellent, as always. That was really good. So good. And I have so much left that I'm just gonna have it for breakfast. I'm just gonna put the lid on it. It's gonna get plenty cold tonight. That'll be fine. Close everything up and climb in the trailer. It's getting a little cold out here. Wind's picking up too. All right, let's get in, get warm. It's actually pretty warm in here. Took off my jacket. It's quite nice if I do say so myself, but because it is winter, it's only 5:39. So I got a lot of time to kill. Luckily I have Starlink and an iPad and access to YouTube, so I'm probably just gonna watch YouTube videos for a little while. I'll check in before bed though. I'm pretty sure there's an owl in the tree right above my trailer. Maybe he'll just hang out there, keep me company at night. Well, it's about 9:30 and just been hanging out watching YouTube videos for 4 hours now. Oh, winter camping, so fun. It is 37 outside, 59 in here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go to bed soon, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Good morning. It snowed quite a bit last night, so I'm gonna get all bundled up and go outside. Ooh. Oh goodness. Yeah, I'd say that's a good amount of snow. Well, it looks like it snowed about 3 or 4 inches. It's very pretty though. Unfortunately, I'm in a state park, so I can't fly the drone. However, as soon as I pack up and leave, I'll go down the canyon a little bit and I'll get you guys the cinematic drone montage. I'm gonna get some warm beverage going and reheat breakfast. Hey, looks like we got snowplows going so I can get out of here. That's good. Something cool about Starlink is it's got a little heater built into it. So when it snows, it just melts everything off. So I had high-speed internet all night. Well, cheers. Still just as good as last night. Maybe better. Oh man, it's cold out here. I wasn't cold at all night. The coldest I saw it get down to was 30 degrees. Coldest it got in the trailer was like 45. So I just slept with a blanket. This thing's pretty well insulated. It's nice up here. I think I'm going to come back when the lake is frozen over and do some ice fishing videos. Maybe even camp out on the ice. I don't know. I've never done either, but comment down below if you want to see that. I'll do it. Just going to enjoy this and then get packed up, head out of the park so I can fly the drone. All right, let's hit the road. Is it defrosted enough? Oh, look at that. Okay, found a pretty cool spot to pull over. So, without further ado, cue the cinematic montage. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. My toes and fingers are officially frozen. From here, I got about an hour of driving to do back home. So I guess that's going to wrap up this week's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.